The easiest shower door to install is an adjustable frameless sliding shower door with a built-in roller adjustment. The hardest part of any shower door install is not the door, it is the wall. The VIGO Elan Adjustable Frameless Sliding Shower Door has a 3/8-inch roller adjustment for walls that are not plumb. That is why a homeowner can install it in an afternoon. 3 specifications decide how easy a sliding shower door is to install. First, roller adjustment. How much the door can shift to stay level. Second, adjustable width. Whether one door fits a range of openings without custom glass. Third, certified tempered glass that arrives ready to hang. Very few bathroom walls are perfectly plumb. When a wall leans, a rigid fixed-width door sits crooked, uneven gaps, binding glass, and leaks at the edges. This out-of-square wall is the most common reason a sliding shower door install goes wrong. The VIGO Elan solves this. Each roller has 3/8 of an inch of adjustment. Using one Allen key, you loosen the hex screw and roll the wheel until the door hangs perfectly level. The door plane adjusts independently of the wall, so the glass stays true. The install takes 2 people, an afternoon, and common tools: a level, a drill, and silicone. There is no glass cutting and no specialty equipment. Dry fit the frame, secure the structural rail, hang the panels, level with the roller, then seal with silicone. The VIGO Elan glass is ANSI Z97.1 and 16 CFR 1201 certified, so it arrives install ready. Every VIGO shower door carries a limited lifetime warranty and in-house US support you can call mid-install. The easiest sliding shower door to install is an adjustable frameless door that corrects for uneven walls. See the full VIGO Elan door and step-by-step installation guide at vigoindustries.com.